Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to create a route using the trip planner on the Garmin zumo 590LM. From our main menu we can go into apps and then trip planner. We don't have any saved trips yet, but we can select new trip from the bottom. First thing we need to do is select a starting location for our route. You have all these different categories you can choose from. You can start your route from wherever you are now, your home location, address. You can enter one in as a starting point. You can go into your points of interest database through categories, or you can use a saved point, recently found point, favorite searches, intersection, cities, coordinates, or you can even browse the map screen for a point to start your route from. So I'll just select home. Use that as my starting point for my route. There it is. I'll hit select here and it's now been added onto my route. I can add more points with the plus sign in the upper left, or I can delete points on my route with the trash can in the lower left. I'm going to add some more points onto this, and this time I'm going to go into categories. I want to select something from the points of interest database. So I can scroll through here, and I am going to select shopping. We'll go down into computers and electronics, and I want to make a stop by Clegg Electronics. So add that on, hit select. So we have 2 points in our route now. I want to add in a couple more here, and this time I'm just going to pick a point out from the map screen. So I'll just go up here on the map and I want to stop right there. So hit select, and 3 points in my route. I want to end my route back where I started, back at home again. So I'm going to add one more point, home. There it is at the end of my route. I have 4 points here. So we can continue to add more points or remove points, or you can even change the order. Just hold down one of the arrows on the right side, and then you can just drag and drop, move those around. We're all done for now. We have our 4-point route, so I'll hit next. It's going to calculate the route and then show it to us here on our map screen. We can review our route as it is now by going to the 3-bar menu in the upper left, selecting Review Trip. That's going to show us the time, the distance, and all the points that we have along our route. When we're all done, we can hit save, and then we need to give our route a name. So I'll just call this Route 1, hit done, and that's going to save it into our Trip Planner app. We have some options here for our route from the 3-bar menu in the upper left. I'm actually going to show these to you in a different video, but for now we can go back, view our route on the map again. We can review the trip again if we want, or we can hit go if we want to begin our route. Everything we've done here has been saved, so we can exit out of here, and when we want to go back into our route, just go into Apps, Trip Planner, and there it is, Route 1. Few options here in the upper left. We can delete a route, we can import a route we've loaded onto our GPS, or we can share a route that we've created, which you can send via Bluetooth, or you can send it onto a micro SD card that you've loaded into your zumo. So that is a quick look at how to create a route using the trip planner on the Garmin zumo 590LM.